Use of logical operator. So this section is about logical operator. So we have seen if else statement and nested if else statements. So in nested if else statements, we can put many statements in one. That is, uh, the possibilities are endless in if else statement. Now we are discussing use of logical operator. So first point is C allows usage of three logical operators. So C language is allowing usage of three logical operators, namely and, or, and not. So these are three logical operators. First is and, that is for and operation. Then or, that is for or operation, and not, this is for not operation. So basically these logical operators are derived from logic gates. So you can search for logic gates, that is and gate, then or gate, and then not gate. So these are to be read as and, or, and not respectively. So these are to be read as and, or, and not respectively. Now so there are three logical operators. Now there are several things to note about these logical operators. So there are several things to note about these logical operators. Most obviously two of them are composed of double symbols, or, and. So two of them are, that is and or, are composed of double symbol, that is and or. Don't use the single symbol or and. These symbols have different meaning. So or and, so these symbols have different meanings. So we don't have to use single symbol. So the first two operators and or allow two or more conditions to be combined. So first two operators, that is and or allows two or more conditions to be combined in an if statement. So in an if statement, and or allows two or more conditions to be combined. So this is for and or operators.